Hi there, everyone. Rob here with today's Western Pacific weather update. It is now going into Wednesday here, the 24th of April 2013. And, well, out here in the Western Pacific, the tropics, you are absolutely quiet. If we look a little bit farther here towards the west, though, on the satellite imagery, we can see a big flare-up of convection here along the Malaysia and Indochina Peninsula. And this is really feeling into this developing storm system there in southeastern China. For now, though, is bringing some widespread precipitation. Actually, some reports here out of Cambodia, upwards of 100 millimeters there in eastern Vietnam, especially just off the coastal areas. Once you get that combined with the sea breeze effect here, really kicking up these showers. Well, if we take a look at this analysis I actually drew up yesterday, it showed down here that we have that moisture inflow, that very unstable, warm moisture, that cool air towards the north, actually some yellow sand continuing to kick up in northeastern China. Well, these are coming together here throughout the day on Tuesday. That's going to continue to push off here towards the east, cause some heavy rainfall across much of western Japan. These areas in the reds, I expect upwards about 100 to possibly 150 millimeters of rain. And it's falling on top of already saturated ground here, which, well, in some areas already saturated, actually below average rainfall so far this month, but which has already caused some landslides. Actually, I put out an article earlier pertaining to this event. Really, 3,000 cubic meters of soil, about 80 meters high, 90 meters wide, gave way here in the Tokai region due to the loose soil. Some rains earlier on this morning. No one hurt, but the risk, and it's really a cascading effect, the risk is still there for further landslides. There has been some evacuation. Like I said, this is going to push overhead throughout the day on Wednesday, even some widespread rainfall around Tokyo here, pushing off there towards the north. There is a chance of some rain-snow mix here, but nothing too extreme. Definitely more the risk of avalanche much in northern Japan, South Korea as well. You're going to be seeing these heavy rains. So, that is what's going on with this. Let's take a look at the model out. We can see this area developing here, going through the day on Wednesday. It pushes through the Sea of Japan. All that moisture inflow, all that heavy rain causing the risk of flooding, quickly clearing up behind it. Actually, by Thursday, this precipitation is going to be pulled off there towards the north and towards the east. Friday as well, really much fair weather working its way in. Still lingering here in southeastern China, actually throughout most of the week around Hong Kong and surrounding provinces there in China, Guangdong, Guangxi, Fujian. You still could be seeing some 50 to 100 millimeters of rain daily in a few isolated areas here, accompanied by these thunderstorms, just due to what I was mentioning earlier, that moisture inflow, a little cooler air off there towards the north, the interaction rate in here, really the start of the rainy season setting up. I mean, if we take a look at the same model outlook, we can see this subtropical jet kind of flowing right through there. We also have the polar jet off there towards the north supporting other systems, but that is just going to be continuing to assist these rain showers. And if we look ahead into the forecast, it actually looks very, very similar throughout the next several days. So that's really the highlight for this week, though. It's just a developing low moving out there towards the north and towards the east. That is really the worst of the weather. Out ahead of it, some warmer temperatures. Beyond a little bit cooler, but nothing too significant because things are warming back up off here over China. Actually, in Chongqing and central China, going to be getting into the 30s. If you are in the Philippines, 30s seem like nothing. 30s every day. Actually, some reports into the high 30s there in Masai. So stay cool out there because, yeah, it's pretty hot. Yeah. Really, that is just due to these clear skies, some easterly winds here, dry easterly winds at this time, vice the northeast monsoon. You just have these easterlies. So that is just bringing in all sorts of warm air, and it's moist, humid. Just stay cool out there, everyone. But that is all for right now, everybody. Thanks again for watching here at westernpacificweather.com. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can post them down in the comment box below. And as always, stay safe out there. Have a good day. Bye.